Do you want to keep your location private on Snapchat? In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off your Snapchat location quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. From the camera screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile. Next, tap on the gear icon, that is settings. Now scroll down in the settings menu until you find who can section. Here you can see my location, tap on it. Now to turn off your location on Snapchat, toggle on ghost mode. This will hide your location from everyone on Snapchat. You can choose to keep ghost mode on indefinitely or set a timer for specific duration, that is 3 hours, 24 hours or until turned off. Simply tap choose whatever you want. But if you want to customize who can see your location instead of turning it off completely, you can select my friends accept or only these friends to control who has access to your location. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your Snapchat location. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.